Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Well, let me show you what's happening for today out here. Today is Monday, and it is the first day of a new work week after we did the big pour up here on top. And you know how the first day of the work weeks turned out? Rained out. Rained out. Yeah, I had stuff they could have been doing immediately. Moving over to that garage on the other side. We could be relocating solar panels. And instead, we're called out for 100% chance of rain today. 100% chance. Yeah, I said, man, we'll move those solar panels over and we'll start working on those stirrups and stuff and extending those columns up where the walls are going to be poured over the garage. We can start tying up the wire grid, getting ready to cast walls and columns over there immediately. I mean, there's no pause about it. We're ready to do it immediately because all that's concrete, flooring up there on top of that garage. It's already been there for a long while. So there's no curing time waiting on that. That's been there for a couple years already. Well, that all came to a stop. Yeah, rainy day. Rainy day. Let's walk up here real quick anyway and look. And this rain, it's just kind of coming in waves. It'll hit with a little pour down, and then it just stays drizzling, and then a pour down, it stays drizzling. The blessing is, there's always a blessing, right? You got to remember that. There's always a blessing. And the blessing is that when you pour concrete and it's going through its curing state, it's good to keep it wet. That does miracles for it. And if you don't, it can actually get a cracks in it, and they'd be there forever. There's nothing you can do. So it's super important that it stays moist. And a lot of times people even cover it up to hold the moisture down. And ever since we poured it, it has been raining. And I'm like, man, this time, now that the pour is squeezed in and done, I'm not going to complain about the rain. But it looks like they're calling for rain all week long. Oh man, isn't that just awesome? There it all is. There it all is. So let's look at it this way. So you see all that's just the overhang outdoors. The house is from here to over there. It's really not that huge. It's really not. It's the outdoor space that we poured out here that makes it seem so huge. Coming around down the side here now. Melinda and her brother out there enjoying some gardening stuff in the rain. We're all out here in the rain. That one's catching water as well. Man, if I went through and sawed off these pipes, I could be getting some rainwater in here. So let's look here. So this little outset right here, going down through here, this is where the staircase going to the roof deck will be built, coming from that direction, coming this way, going up. And then as it gets up really high, that pipe right there and that drain where this bag is where I'm putting toilet and a little room to itself off our master bedroom. So that'll be there. Man, all these are holding water good. I really should go grab a saw and cut those. Yep, you can see right where the walls that go down through here. There's a lot of low slag and stuff laying around. Drains could all be catching water. It's really a blessing to have this done, man. I'm so excited. Up here, this is where our front door is going to come in. Come in the front door. To the right, staircase going up, then a landing. Staircase going up to the roof deck from the inside of the house. That staircase over there is to meet fire code for an escape off the roof deck from the outside. So coming on in from this little foyer area, front door, coming on in. This is my living room. Right there to that steel, to here, to that steel, to this steel. That's my living room. Glass wall looking out towards the beach. To my left, small bedroom. Oh, I hear the rain coming. Walk-in closet. This still will be cut out. This is going into my master bedroom. Glass again. In here's a walk-in closet. The shower, the sink area, and the toilet area underneath the stairs. There'll be a door going out there, back outside, from the side right there. Yeah, the rain's picking up. I'm gonna be soaked. Dining area, glass wall, all this will be gone. Kitchen area, all this will be gone. This is where we were gonna work. A doorway over here. This is another little CR. Utility room, like a pantry, right over there. And another small bedroom with its own little terrace right over here. Yep, and see, it's just it's not 10 jillion different rooms and all of those things. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I mean, it's not a tiny home, but it's not as massive as it seems with that footprint of this terrace wrap around all the way around on the 2nd floor. Well, it's starting to rain pretty good here now, so I'm gonna have to come on down off of here. But the blessing is my concrete is staying moist by nature itself, saving us a lot of work. Miss Melinda is doing a little planting and gardening. I tell you, if it's raining, she's outside in it.
You know what is this sprouting?
What do you got sprouted?
Because of course it is my compost area. You know what it is, the jackfruit.
Oh, you got jackfruit come up now,
yeah,
huh?
because I throw all the seeds here.
Yeah, I see them. Those little stems right there. Jackfruit coming up. That's pretty cool. Mel, are you excited now?
Yeah.
You can see where the house is all going to be laid out now, right?
I see it now. I mean, before that pouring, you know, like it's hard for me to
kind of conceive the plan and all. Yeah.
After the pouring, you know, I can see it really well.
I know you've been excited because you keep going up there.
Oh yeah, I mean, it's really nice.
It's pretty cool. What you got in your hand you're about to go plant?
It's a cucumber that I've been sprouting there. I'm going to move it there.
Yeah, you got to move them. Those things, if they're over here in the dark, they really grow long looking for sun, don't they? They are stretching their necks looking for some sunshine. Man, it's really, I hate that the guys can't work today, but it's a blessing also that the concrete's staying so wet.
Yep.
So, Mel and I, we've got to leave here in a little while and go to the city anyway. We got a transaction going on. We got a transaction we got to go handle. Top secret though. Can't tell what it is. Secret, but nobody knows but her and I. We got a transaction going off.
Thank you for making me a swimming pool.
Man, I mean, every big beach mansion needs a swimming pool right by the water, because you know the ocean's just not enough to swim in.
Wow. You
So,
put them up also?
man, you know, the Beverly Hillbillies, they gotta have the cement pond.
Perfect for the duck like me.
It is, right? We gotta get ready because we gotta go to the city because we have a transaction to go take care of. So, see you in a bit. Yes, how can I help you?
I need to pay here. It's a yellowfin tuna.
Yellowfin tuna, nice, huh?
Yeah, but not really a big slice though. I told them that big slice, but really the slice.
How much money you need?
Pira ka nito, Meg? Pira ka nan? Pira ka nito, kilo na?
How much is it per kilo?
So, ano? 230, di ba? Kailangan di kilo na? 250?
Huh?
250?
Okay, hold on, I'll get you the money. And just like that, some yellowfin tuna right there. Pretty cool. Never know what you're gonna end up with here each day, according to what they show up with at the window. And that is nice, look at that. So we're in Robinson's Mall. You see over my shoulder. That's in here again and again here in Iloilo. You see all these other places over here with the painting. Those are all vacancies. The floor below it, all vacancies. Gutted out. Across the other side over there, see where that guy's walking the gray wall? All walled up, vacancies. Everywhere. Places that were open and thriving. Our last trip here. The KFC all below, gone. All this just crunching down. This wall right here where I'm standing, this yellow wall, vacancy. This gray wall here, vacancy. It's just unbelievable. Look at this, Mel. It's just like a ghost town. It's sad. It's sad.